All things unexplained.
So some of that, I think, sir, we'll save for closed session.
In this first video, the police are arriving at the home, and Garcia's wife explains exactly what happened.
Yesterday morning, my husband and I, he was having a really hard day. We're separated at the moment, and I'm currently not staying here. And I noticed he didn't go to work, so I texted him, and then I called him, and he answered. And he was having a hard time, and was just like, is there any chance of we're getting back together? And I was like, no, I'm sorry, and then he was like, conversation, thank you for making my decision for me. If I can't be at peace with you here, then I'll be at peace somewhere else. And we saw on the camera, and I can show you the video, that's all we have, is he left here I'm assuming on foot, because both vehicles, keys, phone, ID, everything is still here. He left at 9:22. He was wearing a camouflaged Under Armour t-shirt. I can't tell. I think he was wearing shorts, but I can't tell you color or anything like that. I asked my neighbor for their camera to see if we could get that. And then he had his glasses.
What do you make of the circumstances here in Garcia's disappearance? Let me know in the comments.